Presentation number 3 on using your graphing calculator. First thing we're going to look at this time is the squared function, then the square root function, and finally general exponents. This will be a very short presentation. I first need to tell you that the calculator that I am using for this presentation is the TI.84. It's not the TI.84.C. So things will look slightly different on my calculator than possibly on your calculator. All right, squared function. If you wish to square a number, all you do, let's say I wish to square 5, you hit that number and you hit this button right here which says x squared. And then enter. 5 squared should be 25. There we go. If you type in 2 times 5 squared, order of operations says we do the exponents first. So 5 squared is 25 times 2 is 50. If you wish to take and square the product of 2 and 5, you must use parentheses. 2 times 5, close the parentheses, and then hit square. Hit enter. All right? 2 times 5 is 10. Do the parentheses inside the parentheses first, then square it. Square root function uses the same key as the squared function. If I wish to take the square root of 4, I hit second up here, the squared button, see the little square root there, and then 4. Now on the TI.84.C, you don't have a parenthesis here, and this extends, the radical extends across. Let's say I want to take the square root of the sum of 4 and 5, close my parentheses, that's the square root of 9, or 3 for my answer. In the TI.84.C, Silver Edition, we don't have the parentheses, you have the square root, and everything you type stays in the square root. Once you want to get out of the square root, you have to hit this button right here. So it's going to be a little bit different than this. Lastly, if we wish to take and raise a power, a number to some other exponent, for instance, 2 raised to the 3rd button, we use what I call the caret. We use this button right here. All right, so 2 to the 3rd, 2 raised to the 3rd power, and we get 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So to raise a number to a power other than 2, we use this button. Actually, we could use that button also. I hope you find these presentations useful. This ends our first one, our presentation on square roots. Have a nice day.